Hello everyone, I am Rahul Baghel, Assistant Professor, Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University, Bhilai. Welcome to the today's lecture on needs and benefits of industrial automation. Today, we will explore how automation transform industries, enhance productivity, and drive economic growth. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of why industrial automation is crucial and countless benefits it offers. So let's start by again defining the industrial automation. Industrial automation involves the use of control system such as computer, robots and information technologies to handle different process and machinery in the industry to replace a human being. Historically, we have seen a significant evolution from manual labor to mechanization during the Industrial Revolution and now to sophisticated automation system. This shift is not just about replacing human labor, it's about enhancing efficiency, precision and safety across industrial operation. There are three types of automation, each suited for different applications. The three automations are fixed automations, programmable automations, flexible automations. I'll start with the fixed automations. Fixed automations, also known as hard automations, this type involves equipment that is set up to perform a specific task repetitively. It is ideal for high volume production with little variation, such as in automotive manufacturing. Typical features of fixed automations are high initial investment of custom engineered equipment. Second one is high production rate, and third one is relatively inflexible in accommodating product variety. Second one is programmable automation. This type of automation is used for batch production. The equipment can be reprogrammed to handle different tasks or produce different products. An example would be CNC machine used in small case manufacturing. Some of the features that criticize programmable automation includes: first one is high investment in general purpose equipment, lower production rate that fixed automation. Third one is flexibility to deal with variation and changes in product configuration. And the last one is most suitable for batch production. The third automation is flexible automation, is also known as soft automation. This type is adaptable to change. Systems can switch from one product to another without losing production time. It's widely used in industry that produce a variety of product in smaller quantities. The feature of flexible automation are high investment for a custom engineered system, and second one is continuous production of variable mixture of products. Third one is medium production rate, and fourth one is flexibility to deal with product design variation. Now let's find why industries adopt automation. Here are some core needs driving industrial automation, that are efficiency and productivity, quality improvement, cost reduction, safety and ergonomics, and market demands. So let's define the efficiency and productivity. Automated system can operate continuously without break, unlike human workers. This capability insignificantly reduce cycle time and increase throughputs. For instance, assembly lines in automotive plants can produce vehicle faster and with more consistent quantity compared to the manual process. Quality improvement. Automation ensure high precision and consistency in manufacturing. Automated system can maintain tight tolerance and reduce variation in product quality. Consider the semiconductor industry where precision is paramount. Automated system produce component with microscopic accuracy, minimizing defect. Now let's talk about cost reduction. Automation helps lower direct labor cost as fewer worker as needed for repetitive tasks. It also reduces operational cost by optimizing resources uses and minimizing waste. For example, automated material handling system is warehouses can significantly cut down storage and relatively time and saving cost. Now talk about safety and agronomics. Automation reduce the need of human intervention in hazard environments such as chemical plant or mining operations. This not only protect worker but also ensure operation can continue in dangerous conditions. In addition, it improves workplace ergonomics by taking over repetitive and physically demanding tasks, reducing the risk of many disorders. Next, market demands. With globalizations, there is a need to meet high demand with scalable productions. Automation allow industries to wrap up production quickly and efficiently. Moreover, the growing trend towards personalized and customizable products require flexible manufacturing system that can adapt to different product specifications on the fly. Several key drives push industries towards automations that are technological advancement. In technological advancement involves in robotics, AI and Internet of Things, that is IoT, are making automation more capable and accessible. Similarly, economic factors, to say competitive companies need to reduce cost and improve efficiency, automation provide a clear path to achieve these goals. Third one is regularity requirements. Compliance with safety, environmental and quality standards often necessity automated process that can consistently meet this strict criteria. Next one is workforce trends, addressing labor shortages and filling skill gaps in another critical drives. Automation helps bridge this gap by performing tasks that are hard to staff or require specialized skills. Now let's talk about the benefits of industrial automation. Under this, the operational benefits, financial benefits and strategic benefits of industrial automations. So I'll start with the first one, that is operational benefits of industrial automations. So first one is increase the throughput. That means automated system can work around the clock, significantly boosting production volumes. They are designed to operate at high speed without the loss or error that can affect human works. In industries like electronics, manufacturing, automation, the rapid assembly of complex device keeping up with market demand. Second one is improved product quality. Automation ensure precise and consistency which are critical maintaining high quality standards. Automated process reduce the risk of defect and variation in the product output. For example, pharmaceutical industry automated system ensure that each batch of medicine meet exact specification, reducing the risk of error that could affect the patient health. Next one is enhance flexibility. Modern automated systems are highly adaptable, They can switch between task or product with minimum downtime, allowing companies to respond quickly to market change or customer demand. This flexibility is particularly value in sector like consumer goods, where product life cycle are short and customization is the key. Next one is energy efficiency. Automation can lead to more efficient use of energy and resources. Automated systems are often designed to optimize power consumptions and reduce waste. For instance, automated lighting and climate control system in smart factories adjust based on real-time conditions, saving energy and reducing costs. Next, talk about the financial benefit of industrial automation. Under this, first one is cost saving. Automation reduce direct labor cost by replacing manual tasks with automated process. This shift not only cut wages but also reduce associated costs like training and benefits. Additionally, automated system minimize material waste through precise control and monitoring and leading to cost saving in raw materials and supplies. Next one is ROI, that is return on investment. While the initial investment in automation technology can be higher, the long-term benefits often justify the cost. Many companies see a quick returns on investment through improved efficiency, higher output, and lower operational cost. For example, manufacturing companies investing in automated assembly line might recoup the investment within the few years through increased production capacity and reduced labor expenses. Next one is reduced downtime. Automated systems are typically more reliable and require less frequent maintenance than a manual operations. When they do need maintenance, advanced system can often predict issue before they cause the downtime, enabling preventing measures. This reliability means fewer interruption in production, leading to consistent output and better use of resources. Next one is strategic benefit of industrial automation. Under this, competitive advantages are the first one. Automation enable faster time to market by streamlining production process and reducing the lead times. Companies can produce and deliver product more quickly than those relying on the manual process. It also allows for greater customization and flexibility in meeting customer demands, giving companies an edge in market where consumers' preferences are consistently evolving. Next one is scalability. Automated systems are designed to scale whether a company needs to increase production volume or expand operation to a new locations. Automation provide the flexibility to grow without significant retooling. For instance, an automated warehouse system can handle an increased volume of goods with minimal adjustment, supporting business growth. Next one is data-driven decision marketing. Automated systems generate vast amount of data that can be analyzed to improve processes and make informed decisions. Integration with data analytics and enterprise resource planning, that is ERP system, provides insights into every aspects of operations. This capability is crucial for optimizing performance, reducing cost, and identifying opportunities for innovations and improvements. Let's look at them some the real world examples like automotive industry. The automotive industry has been a pioneer for adopting automations. Robots are extensively used in assembly lines for tasks like welding, painting, and assembling parts. The automation has significantly increased the production speed and consistency. For instance, modern automotive plants can produce a car every few minutes with robotic arms and improved automation equipments. Next is pharmaceutical industries. Automation in the pharmaceutical industries cover various stages from drug formulation to packaging. Automated systems ensure precise dosing, accurate labeling, and compliance with regulatory standards. This precision is crucial in producing safe and effective medicines. Automated process also enable rapid production of large volume essential during time of high demand such as during a pandemic. Next one is food and beverage industries. In the food and beverage sector, automation used in processing, packaging and quality control. Automated system handle tasks like sorting, bottling and sealing, ensuring product are hygiene and safe of consumptions. For example, automated bottling line in beverage plant can fill and cap thousands of bottles per hour, maintaining high hygiene standards and reducing the risk of contaminations. Challenges and future trends in industrial automations. While automation offers a numerous benefits, it also it's also feel some certain challenges. Under challenges, first one is initial capital investment. Implementation automotive require significant upfront investment in technology, training and the infrastructure. For small and medium sized enterprises, this cost can be a barrier. Next one is skill requirements. Operating and maintaining automated system demand specialized skills. There are a growing needs for a workforce trained in robotics, programming and the system integrations. Next one is integration with existing systems. Integration new automated systems with existing infrastructure can be complex and costly. Companies must ensure compatibility and smooth transitions to avoid disruptions. Next one is future trends. Advance in AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning are driving the next wave of automations. This technology enables systems to learn from data, adapt to new tasks, and optimize performance without human intervention. Growth of IoT and smart manufacturing. The IoT, that is Internet of Things, connect machines and drives, allowing the seamless communication and coordinations. Smart manufacturing systems use IoT to monitor and control process in real time, enhancing efficiency and responsiveness. Third one is increased focus on sustainability. There is a growing emphasis on sustainable and green manufacturing. Automation can contribute by reducing energy consumptions, minimizing waste, and supporting the use of eco-friendly materials. So, that's all for this lecture. Now, I just provide the summary of the lecture that all we studied in this lecture. In this lecture, we cover understanding industrial automotive. We explored the definition and the types of industrial automation, including fixed automation, programmable automation, and the flexible automation system. Next, we can see the key drives and benefits. We also discuss why automation is essential. focusing on increased efficiency, cost saving, and enhanced safety. We also looked at how automation improves the product quality and supports scalable, flexible, and operations. And we also discuss about the real world application and challenges. We examined case studies from various industries, highlighted the financial and strategic advantages of automation, and addressed the challenges and the future trends in the field. In the next class, we will explore automation hierarchy, details about basic component of automation systems. Thank you.